We have known kidney stones, also known as urolithiasis. We never wanted to have them ever. The question is how we would know that we can prevent it, or how can we get rid of it? Hi, this is Thea once again and welcome back to VGK. Today our topic is all about the citrates, contents of lemon and lime, and why kidney stones are very common in Philippines. Enable for us to prevent it or to get rid of it, we need to understand how the kidney stones are formed. Let me simplify it for you. The job of kidney is to remove the toxins in our blood in the form of urine. But the common problem is kidney stone. There are three types of kidney stones. Let us discuss them by ranking. Number 1, calcium oxalate stones. Our body produces oxalates from metabolisms, and we also get it from plant foods. And when they combine with calcium, it will form crystals and start developing kidney stone. Calcium tend to bind to oxalates when there's a high amount of calcium in the blood. One of the reasons of too much calcium in the blood is too much vitamin D from supplementation. High sodium intake may let the kidney get rid of oxalate but taking calcium with it. Number 2, calcium phosphate stones. When calcium is high in the blood or in the urine, even without oxalate, it may also form calcium phosphate stones. Lacking of vitamin K2 making calcium in the wrong place, in that way contributing also to kidney stones formation. Number 3, uric acid crystal stones. When we eat foods high in purines, our body breaks it down to uric acid. When your kidney failed to eliminate uric acid efficiently, it may form a kidney stones. Oxalobacter formigens is a type of gut bacteria that eats uric acid. However, this bacteria might be reduced and die due to some antibiotic intake. When your pH is less than 6, which is acidic, you are likely to develop uric acid stones. Saturation of urine from dehydration may also contribute to form kidney stones. This is why warmer weather in Philippines can cause kidney stones. When the weather is hot, we sweat more, which deplete body fluids in making urine more concentrated. Now, what are the roles of lemon and lime? Lemon and lime and other citrus fruits contain citrates. Grapefruit to the highest, but lemon and lime are available all year round. Citrates block the adhesion of calcium oxalate crystals to the kidney tissue, meaning with citrates, the calcium will not stick to your kidney tissue. Spinach is high in oxalates. You may consider cooking it with cheese because calcium tends to bind with oxalate before it being absorbed, so that it will not pass into urinary system. Citrates may also dissolve kidney stones, but if you already have kidney stones, consult your doctor. Do not self-medicate. Other nutrients that may help is magnesium from leafy greens, vitamin K2 from grass-fed meat and butter. Vitamin K2 and magnesium helps calcium to deliver its destination to the right place. Lemon and lime are acidic, but it turns to an alkaline compound after you take it, which helps urine not to form kidney stones. Lemon and lime are rich in vitamin C that also helps prevent kidney stones. However, vitamin C supplementation, which is pure ascorbic acid, may increase the risk of kidney stones because vitamin C may be converted by your body into oxalate too. So, we should always consider taking it naturally from citrus fruits like lemon and lime to get the whole benefits. Take more fluids but not only water. Do not drown yourself with water. Instead, get more fluids from watery fruits and vegetables too. I hope VGK added up your knowledge. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.